Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Lizzie, always number one. Welcome, brother. Today we got a few stocks to watch. ICCT, IBO still number one right now, guys. Jumping from our support, the 80 cents. We got a really good jump for ICCT, guys. This one is the top gainer for today. And of course, it's about to squeeze right now. IBO number one. After that, we got AREB number two. We got TRCT, Moulin. We got TIVC. Maybe could be good later. But the top ones, for my opinion, at the moment are IBO and AREB. Yes, this one squeezed right now from the resistance. Now is going higher. Let's see. We got a nice jump here from the 5. AREB and IBO, guys, are the one to watch for today. Okay, IBO looking great right now, guys. Watch out for a breakout from the 117. IBO, we got a nice jump for it for today, the top gainer for today. Let us check the market. We got another one. Today we don't have any stock reporting earnings. Yeah, only AMS, but small cap. Pre-market, we got PAMT, USAR, but yeah, those the top right now. IBO and AREB. ICCT is still light on volume. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, GOH. Emily, good morning. So for today, guys, we got another dive for the market. Let us go to the swing trade stocks. Nvidia is pulling back down. Now it's reversing a bit. Palantir reversing a bit. We got a nice reversal for the market before the market open, guys. There is a nice reversal for the market, but not the right reversal yet. For my opinion, not the right reversal yet. Tesla holding. SMCI pulling back below the 31. Mara still pulling back. Cryptos, let's see cryptos. Bitcoin pulling back a bit. In the big picture, Bitcoin is kind of consolidating sideways. We got question from Danny. Danny, what's going on, Danny? XRB, brother, XRB. As we said, XRB, it is now currently over the support, the 185. As long as we hold the 185, could be really good for a reversal. Confirmation for reversal, we should break the $2.22. This is the current resistance right now for XRB. After that, we have the $2.82. For now, we're still below or over the support for XRB. I think you got a question about XRB. Is going to flush down more, or are we at the bottom? For now, we still have a support, the 185. So if we held here, we gonna have a reversal now. If we broke, yeah, we're gonna have another flush down. So the 185, it is the level that we should hold in the big picture. IBO is still holding and still didn't break the current resistance. We got the major resistance to break around the 117 for today at the market open. AREB, we got the resistance at the moment to break around the $8.11. Current support, it is kind of juicy. For today, yeah, we should hold over the 535 would be great. Now it's pulling back a bit. Let us see GameStop and the others. GameStop reversed nicely from the bottom, the 2045. It is good support here, the 2045, guys. Really good support over the 2040. Yes, 2040 should be a great support. And after that, the 19 could be a good support. So technically for GameStop, we are hovering near a good support here. So we have a range between the 20 and 19. We have a range around the resistance. And I might lower the resistance right now around the 23. So GameStop looking interesting, guys, but still below the resistance now, the 23. DJT, it is too weak for me to trade. TNXB still holding, BIF still holding, MLGO still holding as well. Yeah, we got this level. Yeah, MLGO is still looking great in the big picture. Yeah, TIVC is coming. So we got MLGO, TIVC, and TCRT. I'm gonna put them on the mail list as well. But the top stocks for today is IBO and AREB, the strongest stock for today. The SPY is down, guys. It's getting near a really good juicy dip. You see, we almost tested the support, the 514. That's why I started to reverse for the SPY. Yeah, not bad. Not bad for the SPY. PDD dropping hard, CXAI, interesting. CXAI, yes, on the main list here, but I don't like the trend that much. If we still below this resistance, I will not bother trading the $1.21. We got PDD. I think it is a cruise ship company. 113%, dropped 8%. Yes, dropping hard, breaking mini support. But technically still in bearish trend here. It's not completely red. It's just correcting, yes. We have a nice correction for it coming. Now, yesterday we did 4%, now 7%. I expect another 10 or 14% for a nice dip. So now is not the right dip yet. And need more blood. Yeah, we might have more dip. Anyway, so guys, we're gonna do a major update for the swing trade stocks as we did yesterday for King Elite Swing Trade. We did mini stocks yesterday for you. Today we're gonna do another update for buying the dip, the right dip for mini blue chip company for this discount. Tariff price target. We should call it tariff dip. Tariff dip. BDRX Anderson Verera. BDRX, I will check it very quick. Still below the resistance, brother. The resistance we already tested around the $2.33. So if we don't break this level, is not good to trade. Yeah, and we got a little support to hold over the 155. So now it's consolidation zone, brother, between the $2.30 and $1.50. Huge range. Look at that. Huge range. 40% range. So it is highly risky. If we held, it would be great. The 155 is mean we're gonna consolidate before go toward over the $2.30. If we didn't, is mean we're gonna continue to go down for a new low. And of course, would be not good to go below the $1 this time if we broke the 155. So it is too risky. The one that we should watch is AREB, number one right now. AREB should be number one, guys, because it's about to break the 845, our target for today. Mr. Bozo, GERN is not for today, but keep in the list. Why GERN? Why is good? I will check it. No, man. GERN is dead, brother. Is dead. Why I'm gonna keep it on the list? What's the reason? If just news, I don't care. I need fundamental. The fundamental is yeah, is not good for me. It's really bad technically. So GRN is not good. AREB, guys, looking pretty good right now for a breakout. Hit the like, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We've got crazy markets. Yesterday we have a huge red, guys, a huge red for the market. Look at that. Apple 9%, Amazon 9%, Tesla 6, Nvidia 8. We got Meta 9. It's like in bot trading the market. Shorting mini stocks 9%, 5, 7. The same percentage for mini stocks. So are we gonna have a green reaction for today for the market? Because yesterday we have a huge discount for the market, guys. Huge discount. The discount might continue because of tariff, guys. Huge tariff war imposed. And we have another tariff from China imposed on America. I think it's 36. So yeah, this for the next week we might have another huge momentum. So be careful, guys. Now AREB testing the resistance. The top unicorn for today, the top stock that could be really good to trade. Again, this is the list of the main stocks, guys. main stock. Any stock we bought it here is mean good technically and strong. The other list, it is on the waiting, so it's not good for a trade now. And this list is for the swing and much safer stock. If you're wondering. Mr. Bozo, GERN, I will not put it on the list, brother, because it's not good for now. The list that I put it here are active now, not tomorrow or after 1 month or week or waiting for a news. The most important thing is my technical. If the stock is not good technically, I will not put it on the list, even if we have good news coming up. Just in case if you don't know how we trade, guys. So guys, hit the like and subscribe because we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open every day. And before on our Discord and Patreon, of course. We do pre-market watch list, day trade, swing trade, you name it. We always do it on our Discord and Patreon. So I'm gonna put the link in the comment section below just in case if you want to join our Hunter channel. For now, let us be ready for the market, guys. The market is about to open at any seconds. Yeah, we got 10 minutes left. Mullen, be careful, guys. Mullen is heavily shorted and diluted. Jumped more than 30%. I think it's 60 or 80% and flushed down again. Wow. Wall Street set to open sharply lower as China retaliates with fresh tariff. 34%. China Finance Ministry said it will impose additional tariff of 34% on all US goods from April 10th. Now is April 4th. After US President Donald Trump raised tariff barrier to their highest level in more than century. Holy moly. This is crazy, man. So never happened before, more than century. This level that imposed for tariff. This is the tariff war, guys. The tariff have sent the shock waves through global financial markets, raising fear of worldwide economic downturn and sharp price hikes across sectors in the world's biggest consumer market. The listing of Chinese company dive in pre-market trading. We got dropped, yeah, Baba 8%. We got mini stocks got a big jump down because of this news. Yeah, this is a huge, guys. But as we said, AREB and IBO or those unicorn move against the market, guys. So AREB moving 96% even with those kind of news. And one of the reason we got yeah, we got some news for this stock, AREB. Let me just double check here. Okay, we got imminent breakout for AREB. Imminent breakout. Good afternoon, John. AREN and IBO. We already discussed them, brother. We said there's an imminent breakout for AREB right now. And of course, target is 1212. Current support, we got two of them, I think. The first one, it is over the 667. Second support, it is just over the 520. Current resistance now is 842. Yeah, we expect a nice jump for this one, guys. Huge jump, humongous jump is coming. And of course, we might have a huge pullback after that. I expect a jump at least around the 980 first. After that, 1212. Yeah, the 980 should be a target to hit first for AREB. And IBO, we have a resistance around the 117. Support, it is the 80 cents. And profit taken 135 on 156. So we might do 16% here. 136, yeah, could be a nice profit taken, or 135. Those the top unicorn for today. The rest, it is a maybe. Yeah, the rest, it is a maybe. Yeah, the top one and the strongest one is AREB. Yeah, there's a chance for AREB to go heavily down because it already jumped here almost 80%. So it used a lot of energy. So we might go down toward the 667 and 520. If we went down toward the 660 or 670 and we held, there's a huge chance that we're gonna squeeze up. But if we broke the 667, yes, we're gonna go down toward the 520 and we'll be weak for today. But yeah, it already did 80%, so be careful. There's a huge chance that we're gonna pull back if we don't break the 842. And there's other scenario that I don't like. It is a fake out, going up a little, then flush down. But yeah, this is the only one that look strong, guys. AREB, the only one that started to jump like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, 30 minutes ago, this one was dead, now revived. Okay, shout out to our new member, Akina. Welcome to our membership. Thank you for the support, brother, and being a mighty hunter to our YouTube membership. Akina, I really like the profile. I don't know, is that a phoenix? I think there's a bird or something. It's really good logo. Anyway, so guys, let's get right to it. The market is about to open, and of course, we have a new member. Shout out to Akina for being a member. So let's get right to it, guys. We've got a few minutes left, so let us bring our disclaimer before I forget for today. Yes, the market is about to open at any seconds. Remember, guys, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open, the US open, of course. And before that, 2 hours before the market open, and our Discord and Patreon. The link in the live chat section at the moment if you want to join for early access, and of course chart analysis update for day trade, swing trade. We did 4 yesterday, and of course live alert. If you have any question, you can join on the elite level if you want to have live alert and precise entry and exit for many stocks. So guys, let's get right to it. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button because we got just 2 minutes left at the market open. Share our live streaming. Sharing is caring, guys. Karma is good. By liking the video, you're gonna have a good thing going on. I will bless you with a good thing from my Father. Father and Heavenly Trinity will support you, even though I'm not Christian, but I'm a believer in higher power and doing good to your fellow human being. This is good. This is international religion, guys. You don't have to be religious to do good in life. It's really simple. Okay, Norma, DBTX, DBTX is not there. DBXT is not there as well. DBXT is not there. Are you sure? There is no DBXT on the Nasdaq. BDRX, I think we already discussed BDRX, but I'm gonna check it again. BDRX, yeah, as we said, the 155 is the bottom, 230 is the resistance, and it's really risky because we are far from the resistance. Anyway, so let's get right to it, guys. Hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in or out. And of course, if you're driving, don't press the like button. Don't hit or do anything because taxing a driver is dangerous. Because I saw like the people who watching our live streaming, most of them are on the phone. So let's get right to it. The market is open, guys. AREB is pulling back because this is the resistance for $8.42. If we broke, we might get halted up, guys, for AREB. IBO is still below the resistance. ICCT is still nothing. This nothing. Let's see the other list. Mullen, nothing. GameStop is trying to reverse. Let's see if the market started to reverse here. Nvidia, a bit of in green. Uber. Yes. SMCI. Nothing much. Nothing much. We have a little pullback instead, especially for AREB. BDRX, Norma. This is a really different ticker. You said DBXT and you meant BDRX. Anyway, BDRX is a bit dangerous as we discussed. Already review it. Even Ederson asked about BDRX. AREB is pulling back, yes, below the resistance here. So there's a chance for a reversal from the 660. And I think we're halted down, guys, for AREB. The first stock getting halted. AREB. We have ICCT getting halted. EV and PCHI. It's ICCT. Oh man, we have a nice jump. It got halted up, guys. ICCT. We got something. We got something good happening for ICCT. Watch out, everybody. ICCT looking majestic. IBO get halted. IBO, no, is almost got halted. So we got two stock got halted, AREB and ICCT. AREB halted down, ICCT halted up. So let us go to ICCT because it's much stronger right now. Yeah, ARAB is halted down, everybody. $6.60 should be the current resistance here, or current support after down halting. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. ICCT did a really great job for a breakout from this level, the 513. We got a nice squeeze here. Really good squeeze for for ICCT from this flag. It was preparing for this breakout before the market open. We might get unhalted around the 625. If we continue over the 625, would be great for ICCT to continue to squeeze. And TCRT is still moving up, but light on volume. Coin is still going down. Tesla the same, is holding. SMCI getting near our new support for today. Yeah, we got a new support here around the 28. Yeah, 28 could be good support right now for SMCI. Tesla is strangely strong over the 243, guys. We got a big buyer. We got another stock got halted with reason code M. Volatility halt as well. LUDB volatility trading pause. Tiny. Yeah, it's tiny volume as well. ICCT and ARAB still halted, guys. We only got two stocks active right now. Yeah, ICCT, it is critical at the moment. Yeah, ICCT, I'm waiting for the unhalting. Yeah, unhalted right now. Both AREB and this one. ARB should hold right now, otherwise we're gonna flush. ICCT almost tested the 627, our resistance. ICT looking great, guys, for another jump as long as we hold the 513. AREB broke this support, so it's back to another dive down. Yeah, I will see if we're gonna have a reversal over the 520. ICCT, yes, it might get halted again up. We have undecision below the resistance. IBO, yeah, is a bit slow for today. TIVC, the same, it is a bit slow. MLGO, the same, a little bit slow. So this is leave us with ICT. Holy moly, ICT jumping, guys. Be careful, ICT, it might get halted right now because we jumped more than 10% in less than 1 second. Be careful, ICCT broke the resistance very quickly. Beautiful action for ICCT. Target right now is getting near the 680. So the top one and the only one is ICCT for today. The only stock for today is ICCT, guys. SMCI under the 30, yes, because the 31 was the support. Now it's going toward the 28 and 25, which is the current support and bottom. So yeah, SMCI is a bit weak for today. ICCT, it is the strongest for today. I'm gonna put support here around the 550. Okay, guys, we hit the first profit taken for ICCT. Make sure to take profit right now because we might get shorted around the 684. Nice. We might get halted right now for ICCT. There's a huge chance that we might get halted right now. Yes, we halted. Finally, we halted for ICCT. I'm gonna update the levels for ICCT. So we have the 552 as a current support. Bottom, it is around the 370. And the profit taking is coming up around the 783, yes. Because we already hit our first target. So 783 should be the next target after the unhalting. 783. Oh yeah, 780. So after the unhalting, we might do another 13% and then game over. Yeah, time for a pullback after that. Great hunt, everybody, for ICCT. ICCT is halted again, of course. ICCT number 1, AREB number 2, but it's a bit weak right now after breaking the 670. IBO is a bit weak. So yeah, those the top stocks for today. SGMO, game over. ABVO, not for today. Yeah, we got another dive for the market. The market didn't hit the bottom yet, guys. Be careful. Even SMCI didn't hit the right bottom yet. That's why it's still going down around the 29. So SMCI is still going down. Let's see if we got stock got halted. SOBR gets halted as well. SOBR, we got FOCT, NTHI. Okay, we got few stock got halted. Let's go to our main lists. ICCT is still halted, guys. But as we said, make sure to take profit after the unhalting. The only one that looked really great for today, it is this one. F O C T S O B R N T H I. This one have a reverse bit, so it's not good. Light on volume, dead. So yeah, we only got ICCT guys for today, and maybe IBO. Those two are the ones, especially ICCT. Make sure to take profit right after the unhalting, guys. ICCT could be really good to take profit just after the unhalting, because I expect a huge pullback for ICCT because the market it is a bit weak. IBO still looking great. Reverse again from the 80 cents. Okay, I think it's better to exit for this one. Yeah, we have a little pullback. So it's good to exit for ICCT because we didn't break the 685. Anyway, ICCT might pull back a little toward the 550. IBO pull back, AREB pull back. We got a mini question for you guys regarding where the best reversal for the market. As you can see, the best signal for a reversal is the SPY. And from the chart in the big picture for the SPY, we see it is coming back and almost testing this ascending channel. So there's a huge chance for a reversal coming pretty soon once the SPY enter around the 514 and 493 reversal zone. So there is a huge reversal zone for the SPY. And of course, this zone, it is the correction for the SPY. If we broke it in any case, it means we enter a bearish turn or bearish market because technically we're still in the bullish market. Still in the bullish market, guys. ICCT go up again. Interesting. And I think it's halted again or almost got halted. We got the target around the 783. We might test it, then we pull back. So ICCT is the only one, guys, that's still strong. The rest of the market, it is a bit weak. TIVC, it could be good later. TCRT, the same. Remember, guys, we're gonna do update for you here on Discord and Patreon. Day trade and potentially swing trade because the market give us a really good opportunity right now. We have nice opportunity for a dip for many stocks. So we have to use this opportunity not to fear, but to be greedy. And of course, remember, guys, never buy all or the huge position in one place because the market might continue to pull back. So this the thing here to be strategic about buying the dip, not all, in order to average down if the price continue to go down. But always buy under strategic levels because there's a chance for a reversal and it's really hard to predict the bottom. So the idea here not predicting the bottom because you might miss the really good discount price for the market. Wow, ICCT is still jumping toward the 7. IBO going back, AREB going back. So yeah, today the winner for today is ICCT, guys. ICCT is the winner for today, but be careful right now. It is on the verge of pulling back, just below the $8. Should be a resistance right now. Yeah, the only one is good is ICCT for the unicorn. Now we started to pull back a bit for ICCT. SMCI is still below or around the $29. 8% down yesterday, 8%. It's getting near a good discount here. Pretty good discount for SMCI in the current market. Yeah, we got a nice discount is coming. Still, ICCT have a bit of struggle, guys, here around the resistance, the 760. This is the best trade for today because it respected our level and had this trend that broke out exactly at the market open, which was a really good to make the short cover up around this area, the $5. IBO, it was the opposite. The short seller just entered here around the 117. We don't have any breakouts. AREB, the same. All the pump was in the pre-market. And some of you said there's a chance for a pullback. It was, yes, it was good. Uh, Good point because already we said jumped almost 80%. We use all the fuel. Now there's a chance for reversal for AREB if we hit the 520. The rest, it is light on volume. So yeah, those the stocks for today. Let's see the swing. Yeah, the swing is still Nvidia is holding just above the support or the bottom. The Palantir the same is getting near a nice bottom once again. Tesla still holding the 243 and SMCI getting near the bottom, the $27. And the SPY, as we discussed, guys, the SPY is getting near a really juicy bottom. A really juicy bottom, for my opinion, that could change everything. Where's second? Where's the SPY with my technical? It's kind of strange because I did the technical for the SPY. Yes, this one. Yeah, this one. We might witness a reversal, guys, because now it is the reversal zone for the SPY. Don't bet on the sick horse. Exactly. We have a hot debate on the live chat section here. And I have an idea, guys. Why we not have like a debate after finishing our live streaming? Like Mr. Flip Flop and Hakan have a really good debate on the market and how we invest on the dip. It could be good if we have a live chat, live discussion about the market would be great. Not just me talking, but you like we could have like at least five or three people talking at the same time to have your opinion about the market. I think this is available on Discord. You can accept many members to talk or join the live stream and have the possibility to talk. But on YouTube, I think it's not possible to let you guys join my live stream and talk directly to me, not by texting. I don't know is available on YouTube, but I think is not. I think is available on Discord. Yeah, ICCT guys is still trying to break this current resistance around the 760. If we did, we might have the 9 and the 10. It's still strong, guys. ICCT is still strong. AREB did the really good reversal here, guys. Almost 22% from the 520, which is our current support. Mr. Flip Flop, yes, man. Taking risk is okay, but the idea here, brother. Taking risk and making problem is way better than never taking risk and having regrets and saying what if. So if you want me to choose between the two, I will tell you, give me problems, give me like issues, give me bad decisions. Bad decision is better than not taking any decision at all. This is just for my opinion. I don't know about you guys. Because if you took the decision and you make problems, at least you move ahead and you try this something you never tried before. This is how science works, guys. Most of the discoveries if you go back in time and see the history of discoveries, like almost 90% of chance the big breakthrough in the discovery in science was by mistakes, not by following the rules and doing the steps. And no, no, no. Most of them is by doing the problems and like doing the unintentional thing. And by doing that, actually, you get the big breakthrough in anything. So the same with trading, the same with everything. It's like taking a risky decision is really important. The more risky the decision is, the bigger the reward, I think. SMCI finding support is almost. We already discussed it, Abu Bakr. Already discussed it. Nearing the 28 or the 27. It's getting near. Even the SPY is getting near the support right now. So it's back to a reversal before the market close or by next week. Hopefully we don't have another bad news or surprise during the weekend with Donald Trump, because Donald Trump always likes surprises. CXAI, I think. Yeah, it went down. We have kind of fake out here. The resistance wasn't cleared that enough. Yeah, it went down, so it's not that good for CXAI to trade. You are welcome, Xander. IBO pull back a lot. AREB, nice reversal, guys. TIVC still good. TCRT, I'm gonna put it here. So the top one right now is TIVC, AREB, and ICCT for today. SMCI didn't find bottom yet, for my opinion. Yeah, still the 31, it is current resistant right now. Tesla still pulling back. Guys, remember, we're gonna do a major update on our Discord later on for the swing trade that I'm buying or I consider buying for this discount, tariff discount. We call it tariff discount for the market right now. So I'm gonna put another list. Yesterday we did the list here, and today we do another list for the best dip for this month, April. Because the market is pulling back, there's always opportunity to buy the right dip. So we have to be strategic, guys. First, we don't have to buy all our money in one stock and at the same time at this one dip. No, we have to diversify a bit, and of course buying on two levels or three levels. This is the safest strategy to buy the dip, for my opinion. So Those the stock that we should watch for today: ICCT, AREB, TIVC, and IBO. We're gonna do update, of course, later on for those stocks to watch where the price will reverse and where we should enter for them, of course. Yeah, risk management is really important in trading, guys. Risk management is like a parachute or something like this, or a harness if you want to do something dangerous, let's say climbing. You need a harness and a rope in order to protect yourself from falling. Unless you are like free soloing, which is really dangerous. Some professional climbers do. So if you fall, game over. Yes, more intense, more risky, more enjoyable. However, if you fall, there is no second chance. So risk management give you like a second chance, third chance in order to protect yourself from lose your money. So yeah, risk management is really important. Unless you are like free soloing or you are adrenaline junkie. So risk management is not fun for you. And there's always a paradox in life. Being adrenaline junkie is really good in trading because sometimes in trading you need to be fearless and go all in sometimes. And being like cautious and have risk management always in your life, you're gonna be like leaving a lot on the table, and like you never actually change anything in your life in like the top level. Because usually in life, if you want to be the number one in anything, you have to take like you go all in one endeavor and go all in and have big risk on the line. So yeah, always take risk management, always on the safe side is not good. And okay, like taking risk a lot and adrenaline junkie is not good. So you have to balance between the two. You know, when you go all in and when you take time to recess and think about what you want to do. So sometimes you have to be adrenaline junkie in order to go all in and of course reap the reward. So there's a sweet spot, of course, to do both, but just not one. Don't focus on just one, because if you just do everything like black and white, life is not black and white. So yeah, that's why it's kind of paradoxical in life. Some people say follow the rules, some people say break the rules, some people adrenaline junkie is good, and AREB pumping. Yes, nice. Yeah, we got a V-shaped recovery here, jumping down and reversing up very quickly. So for now, for ARB EB, I'm gonna put support just in case here if we pull back around the 650. Yes, 650 or 49 should be a good level to watch out for if we continue to pull back. But it's not stable anymore, AREB. I don't like this kind of jump. Huge jump here, huge jump here, huge jump here. You see? It's not in between. Anyway, thank you, Scott Strand, for remind us about AREB. Anyway, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming. Hopefully you have a good weekend. And of course, the market is going down, but as always, we said there's opportunity in this dip for the market. That's why we're gonna do a major update for the swing trade that or blue chip company that have bottomed out and of course discounted, so we might buy them. So we're gonna do a major update for you guys on Discord and Patreon for which stock I'm watching, considering this huge pullback for the market. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and of course, see you all back on Monday, next Monday, to continue the hunt for the market. And of course, shout out to our new member, Akina, for being a mighty hunter for today. Shout out for the support, brother. And of course, shout out to all the hunters and the member on Discord and Patreon, and of course, for being a valuable member here, and of course, hitting the like and subscribe and being active member here. Thank you for the support, everybody. So see you all next weekend or next week on Monday. And of course, remember, always opportunity in the market. So always never feel FOMO. There's always opportunity. And let the price come to you. Never run after the price. See you all back on Monday. Thank you for watching.